Hey there, and welcome back! And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a market screener to find stocks that fit your trading or investing strategy quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Start by clicking the Research tab, then select Market Screener. Alternatively, click the menu in the top left, go to Research, and then choose Market Screener from there. At the top of the screener page, you can define your stock universe, whether it's global stocks, US markets, or specific regions. Once you've selected your universe, you can filter and sort stocks based on the criteria that matter most to you. Click on Filter, and choose between Multi-Sort Screener or Standard Filters. Now hit the plus Add Sort Factor button to begin customizing. You can choose up to 10 different factors like PE ratio, dividend yield, market cap, price momentum, and more. For each factor, you'll have the option to select whether you want higher or lower values. Once you do that, you'll also see an important setting. This lets you decide how heavily that factor should weigh in your search. The screener updates automatically as you make changes, no need to hit refresh. Once you're happy with your list of results, you can add selected stocks to a watch list or export them to a CSV file for further analysis. And that's it. You're all set to start scanning markets like a pro. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more trading and investing tutorials. See you in the next one.